dream car. Here we go. I'm big fan of this car. I love this car. I bought this car so cheap. Hey, what's going on? Why you stop in the middle of the highway? It's a big almost hole is right here. Whatever see on this car, everything is original. This is like some kids game, you know. I'm missing whole banana. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roman, and today I want to share with you guys my excitement, which is I bought 8 months ago. Whoever know this car is almost like a dream car, you know. I would say no one can like afford this car because it's expensive car. I made it, so I bought my right here dream car. Here we go. Let me share with you guys a little bit of walk around. I bought this car like last year in August. I found this car like very randomly, you know. Like one day I left the job and I drive into home and I saw the car in the street, you know, the park actually was the mechanic shop. So I went there. I asked, do you know this owner who's the own this car? They said, yes, we know that. Okay, I said, can I get his number? They asking the reason why I need his number, you know. I said, guys, I'm big fan of this car. I love this car. I want to buy this car. Then there was like, oh, okay. Hold on 1 second. Let me give you the number so we can talk to him and, you know, see what's going on. He want to sell. I mean, he want to sell this car or no. So you will figure out. I said, okay, no problem. So I got the number, right? And I called. That was lady, you know. I'm like, excuse me, miss, are you on this car? She was like, what kind of car are you talking about? I said, Mercedes. She was like, no, that's not my car. I said, oh, I'm sorry. I think this has the wrong number. And then I get back to this shop again and I asked the guy, I think you gave me the wrong number, right? They said, oh, I'm sorry, this is our fault and blah, blah, blah. Okay. They gave me another number. So I called this number. That was old man, you know, and I speak with him. I said, listen, man, I want your car. He said, what car are you talking about? I said, Mercedes. You know what I'm talking about. He was like, oh, okay. And he was like, no, I'm sorry, man. I don't want to sell this car. I said, man, please, can we meet up and see what's going on? You know, maybe we can talk. Maybe we can find some deal with you, you know, and blah, blah, blah. And he was like, okay, let's do it. All right. We met up and I showed him like my Instagram channel. I'm going to link in the description. Actually, guys, I had the YouTube channel. I don't know, some weird reason they blocked my channel, so all right, it's okay, Yanni. You know, it is what it is. So I opened this channel, which is I have now like a 10 subscriber right now. Okay, this is the new, so nobody knows this the channel, you know, but I'm posted like a few my car videos in there. You know, I still stuck in the 10 subscriber, but it's okay, you know, it is what it is. And maybe time by time I'm gonna grow and stuff. Okay, I said, you know, like I love this car, you know, man. I'm big fan of this car. I dreamed this car like I don't know, maybe almost 25 years or something. How much you want? I asked him. To be honest with you guys, in my mind I had some amount of the price, so I can tell him, you know. I was keeping in my mind like a $6,000. To be honest with you, I bought this car so cheap. Nowadays is so impossible. I bought this car for $5,000, which is nowadays cost of this car at least starting like $45,000. Whoever know this car, whoever fan this car, you know, whoever own this car, they know what I'm talking about. I bought these cars for $5,000. This is insane. I mean, this is impossible. We start to drive into home, right? In the middle of the highway, car was shut down. Oh my God. I know what's going on, you know. I had also E420, which is I bought the 2017, right? I know what's going on with this car. They used to be or your spark plugs or distributor caps. You know, this is the common issue on these cars. I'm talking about the V8, not the regular like straight six or, you know, like a 4-cylinder, something like that. I'm talking about only V8 because they have a common issue with the distributor cup. So when they get corrosion and stuff, the engine doesn't work properly. You know, you get an overheat and stuff. Okay. And then we stop in the middle of the highway, and you know, the other cars like honking us, like, hey, what's going on? Why you stop in the middle of the highway? And we barely came to home. I parked the car. I start to checking up the car, what's going on with the car. I realized a lot of issue. This is first. Another issue is car has some rust places. In next video, I'll show you what I did with this car. But in this video, I want to show you the places which is I got the rust. Okay, so I got rust in this left side, bottom of the fender. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna try to clean up here as much as possible. Let's continue. And I got rust a little bit on the underneath in the radiator support, right? And then I got big rust in my right hand side underneath the dashboard. Okay, an engine bay right behind from here. And then I got the rust. It's a big almost hole is right here. As you can see, guys, the guy tried to cover it somehow, but you know, I'm not driving this car until I'm gonna fix this, until I'm gonna make this car like a brand new. I love to make the car brand new. I know it's gonna cost to me like a too much. I know it's gonna be expensive. I know it's gonna take a time, but it is what it is. If you love it, you gotta spend it, right? So another things, I found the rear fender. As you can see, the guy seems like I hit somewhere. I don't know where and when. Okay, I see these pieces is like a plane, like, you know, it's like a wobbling here. Underneath here, I saw big pieces. They tried to weld it there, right? But they couldn't do that. So as you can see, it's right here, this piece I'm talking about. They tried to weld it there, but they couldn't. They don't know the specification. They don't know the dimension and stuff, the, you know, the measuring size and stuff. They totally break it. You know, I don't like kind of job because I never do like that job. I will never do that, you know, but they did it. Also, I found a lot of corrosion on the cables. It's actually in the trunk. I also realized, actually I found it. I have some rust in the driver's side right here. I got some rust there. So that side skirt, as you can see here, is broken right here, right? So what I did was I opened it totally, like take it out. I tried to fix somehow, but I couldn't. Why? I didn't have a time, you know, and also I didn't have the tools, proper tools, welding, plastic welding machine. So I'm gonna do this in the soon. All right. Also, I have a missing the cover, which is should be go here. As you can see here, this guy put the from another car. I saw the part number. They was starting 211. I think it was an E-Class, not the E-Class 211 chassis. My left headlight, it looks not bad, you know, but needs to polish. But the right side definitely need to polish. As you can see, it's get the faded color, you know, but also it's a little shaky here. It's wobbling. I don't like that. I'm gonna fix this too. If I can find the new one, actually not the new one, the used one. I think that the new one is discontinue, as I know, but I'm not sure. So I'll try to something, you know, to do here. This is original M119 engine, like 5 liter. Another things I try to share with you guys. As you can see, this is the wheel base, and right there has a the weld. I saw it like when I bought this car, when I opened the hood. Okay, also that place needs to like fix, okay, because my tire looks like get a little bit inner. It shouldn't be like that, but I'm gonna fix this too. Like I said, the guy, the owner, was a very old man, so he don't know about this car almost nothing. Okay, he removed the rear shocks, which is comes like hydraulic, right? He removed that. He put the regular shocks in there. So I'm trying to find the the rear shocks for this car. But thank God everything is original. Whatever see on this car, everything is original. Either this sign, but this not. This is like some kids game. I don't know why the guy put the here, but it is what it is. I'm gonna remove it after painting. Okay. Also, I'm missing antenna. When I bought this car, he had the antenna. It was like an aftermarket antenna, but I don't know, it didn't work and stuff. I removed it. I put this plastic, actually the foam tape here to cover from the rain and stuff. It's like a unpaid or something. I don't know, the guy hit somewhere. I have no idea. I also missing this is plug here for jack. The only thing I cannot find, as you can see, this is the rear side skirt. It calls people call this banana. I don't know how correctly. I'm missing here the chrome thing, but in my right side I'm missing whole banana. As you can see, I have a place to click it, but I don't have a banana. I'm also looking for that, as I know it's very hard to find it, but I'll try to find it. Rear very good condition. Seats underneath, everything is very nice condition. The only thing, I'm gonna restore all seats all around, all this b pillars, the cover, all I'm gonna make it new. Also, as you can see, the car is very dirty because I didn't do anything on this car. I'll try to make a video to show you guys step by step what I'm gonna do. It looks very good. I'm not complaining. It's not complicated, you just need to a little bit detail here, and then it will look good. Left driver's side, as you can see, it's stitchy is gone here, and this is banded, and this one is cracked here. Okay, it seems like he never take care of this car, because car condition telling me like he never get to take care. I decided to start this project, make it new. So this is my first video. I apologize if any missing, if anything I said wrong. Soon I'm gonna start to make this car, and I'm gonna share with you guys every single process. You'll be get informed about this car, how to fix and stuff, especially 500e, especially not this is the not the regular E420, almost the same. Why? Because the chassis almost the same measurement, the engine bay and the other stuff almost similar. What I did was I bought like a donor car for this Mercedes, which is right here. This is 400e 1993. She got 82,860 something mile on it. Car almost brand new. It was less drive. This car has also some missing parts. So what I bought this car because I got some rust places on this car, so I'm gonna remove from here and transfer to here. And I want you guys to subscribe my channel and follow me, please. Turn on your notification the ring, so you'll be informed when I'm posting the video. And also I want to share with you guys, maybe you realized before, maybe you alerted when I walk around, maybe you seen this car, which is also Mercedes, also E-Class, and also this is E55 AMG. When I bought this car, this guy also never ever taken care of the car. I'll show you about this car later. So I'm gonna also open the channel for this car especially, and also I'm gonna talk about the maintenance of this car. Thank God this car haven't any the missing parts. Only the part is missing, the front bumper. As you can see here, this is like a E320 I guess bumper. So this bump like E55 bumper, it shouldn't be like that. They have like only two fog light in the left and right, but this car has also cover there, so it shouldn't be like that. So I'm gonna maybe replace this, not replace, I'm gonna change it to original E500, I mean E5500 bumper. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for subscribing, guys. Please support me, and I can share with you guys my future videos, so I can share with you maintenance videos, replacing videos, fixing videos, and stuff like that. So I have a lot of project, which is, if you guys help me, I'll show you. I mean, the help, I mean, like, follow me. That's all I want from you guys. So thank you for watching. Bye, guys.